I went to the eye doctor and I said, something's not right. Something's just not the same. My eyes have always been about the same. Something's changing.
Yeah, I went to the eye doctor and he told me my eyes were terrible. And I realized that.
They gave me a lot of information to look at, and I went online and looked into it as well. Realized it wasn't a really big surgery, and I talked to a number of people that had had it, and that was probably what convinced me more than anything.
He talked to me about the different choices of lenses to meet my specific needs and what I wanted to do.
And finally I said, well, I really want to see distance. He said, then that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give you the toric lens. We're gonna give it to you where you can see distance. That's it. That's what we're gonna do.
I hear the toric lens all the time. It's like it's someone's name.
Yeah.
A friend of the family now.
And he says, I can change, if you get this lens, I think it's gonna change your life. And I did get the lens, and by golly, it did change my life. And I'm really thankful.
I was a little anxious, but then once he got me on the table and started, it was within minutes, it was done.
Doctor comes in and he says, okay, you're gonna see some bright lights. Just keep your eye open. Okay, and you're done.
It wasn't painful in the least, not in the least. It wasn't even uncomfortable. It was just the least intrusive operation I've ever had.
But it was a wonderful experience. I expected that it would be a lot harder than it actually was.
As soon as I was able to have those the coverings taken away, I could tell right then and there. The clarity was there, the cloudiness was gone, and just the clarity of everything that I looked at.
And she said, I can see. And I'm like, wow, that's...
In fact, I told you I could see the stop lines coming home from the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as the cup came off, I could see a difference. And it was remarkable.
For the whole week before I got the second one done, I'm like, because I just couldn't help comparing the difference.
The things I noticed right after the surgery were the crispness of colors.
The operations are so sophisticated now and so far ahead of what they were 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago.
When I had my surgery done, I had it on Wednesday. I worked from home on Thursday, and I went back to work on Friday.
I was expecting maybe a step up like I did each time I had glasses or I had new contact lenses. Maybe I could see a little bit better, but this was a big jump up from what I was used to.
I did the right thing. I know I did the right thing. I would do it again if I had it to do again.
What does it allow me to do? Everything.